The U.S. Army's Terminal High Altitude Area Defense System participated in training exercise at Fort Cavazos, Texas. The training exercise at Fort Cavazos is part of a continuous effort to prepare the unit for real-world scenarios and ensure they can effectively support and defend U.S. troops and partners worldwide. Boeing is intensifying efforts to secure new contracts for its P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft in Europe, driven by heightened Russian submarine activity in the region. The P-8 Poseidon's advanced detection capabilities enable the crew to pinpoint and track submarine movements accurately, thereby enhancing maritime security and ensuring the protection of critical sea lanes. The Paris Olympic Games will see the deployment of advanced anti-drone systems, including the Helma-P laser system developed Silas. The Helma-P is a directed energy weapon designed to neutralize small and micro-sized drones within seconds through dazzling or physical destruction. Rheinmetall handed over the first KF41 Lynx infantry fighting vehicle produced at the Zalaegerszeg site in Hungary to the Hungarian Armed Forces. The first Lynx from Hungarian production was completed in December 2023 following extensive functional inspections, performance and quality acceptances. It has now been officially handed over to the Hungarian Armed Forces. Ukraine will receive 14 Leopard 2A4 tanks purchased by Netherlands and Denmark by the end of summer. These battle tanks have been refurbished and tested over the past few months and will play a crucial role in enhancing Ukraine's battlefield capabilities, offering substantial firepower, crew protection and speed.